Guys, so one of the things that I like to make for snacks is drop scones. They're really quick and easy to make, and I like to make a majority of Lewis's snacks just so that I know what's going in them really. So I'll get started and I'll show you how to make them. Super easy, and Lewis really enjoys them. Lewis is currently eating his breakfast. So yeah, I'll just go ahead and make snack while he's eating his breakfast. So just a few bits to get started. You will need a measuring jug, some milk, an egg. I use a food blender. You don't have to, you can just use a whisk, it's just super easy. Some fry light, maple syrup if you want for a topping, you don't have to. I only use a triple if I do use it, don't very often use it. Some baking powder, some self-raising flour, and some raisins. So you don't have to use raisins, they are optional. So I'm just going to go ahead and weigh out my flour. So you will need 125 grams of self-raising flour. So I'm just going to go ahead and weigh that out now. So just gone over slightly, so I'll just scoop a little bit out. Oh, so close. There we go. On the nose. Next thing you'll need is around about 3/4 of a tablespoon of baking powder. Oops, okay, mate. Next, once we've added our 3/4 of a tablespoon of Mama, are you nearly finished? Stop being happy. No, Lewis is still just finishing his breakfast. He's almost finished. Yummy, yummy. Is that nice? What have you been eating? Have you made a mess on your trouser, look? Yes. Yes. It's quite funny, isn't it? Yummy, yummy, yummy. Yeah. The next thing you're going to need is 1 egg, just a medium-sized egg. Just be careful to make sure that there's no shell in there. The next thing I do is I add 150 mils of milk into the mixture. And then I'm just going to attach the lid to my food blender. Yeah! That's what we're going to do. So I'm using the Quick 9, I think that's what it's called. So I'm just going to give the mixture a quick blend. There we go, that should do it. You can tend to half and half this mixture. So what I tend to do is I make a batch without raisins and then just add some raisins towards the end. So you can have them sweet or savoury, so you can have them with like butter and jam if you want them sweet, or you can have them with a cream cheese or bananas on them, or pretty much anything you want. So pretty much like a pancake. I've just popped my frying pan on a low heat and I've just popped in a little bit of fry light. So I'm just going to add some more. Make sure that it stick, and then you just want to get sort of a tablespoon of mixture and pop them into the pan, and you can just flatten them out like so and sort of just repeat the process. I've just made a few plain ones there, and I'm just going to add some raisins into my mixture. So here you can see I've just added some raisins. Well, in fact, they're actually sultanas, but yeah. So I'm just going to repeat the process as I did earlier, and just pop some of those into the pan. You could put these in cookie cutters if you wanted to, make them different shapes, make them interesting.
Only the string. Only the string. What can we do?
they'll start to brown on the one side. So once they start to go puffy like this one here, you can just go ahead and flip them over. You right, buddy? I think Lewis is getting a little bit fed up. So Lewis just got a bit fed up, didn't you, mate, and wanted to help. So here's our drop scones, just cooking. So I'm just going to take them off the heat now and put them on a plate. So the recipe made 20 drop scones, so we can have these for snacks. I just put them in a Tupperware tub once they're cool, and they'll last for 3 days, so at least I know that I've got a supply. So I do like to batch cook. So yeah, really tasty, really yummy, and yeah, I'll put some pictures of Lewis enjoying his drop scones in the pictures next.